Hare Krishna students, today we are going to learn about Tritiya Vibhakti, that means third ascending. Okay. Karan Karak, that means instrumental case. You know that wherever you will get the meaning of with or by, those things will be the Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay. Or Karan Karak. You can say Karan Karak ke Tritiya Vibhakti also. Okay. Say the Hindi. किसी क्रिया को करने में कर्ता को जिससे सबसे अधिक सहायता मिलती है, मतलब किसी क्रिया को करने में, मतलब if some person want to do some work, for that work he is getting help from someone. Okay, from whom he is getting help, उसे करण कारक कहते हैं. From the with whom he is getting the help, so that person or that thing are called करण कारक. करण कारक में तृतीया विभक्ति होती है. तो करण कारक में कौन सी विभक्ति होती है? तृतीया विभक्ति. ओके. जैसे अहं मुखेन वदामि. So I am talking, but with what I am talking? Okay. So I am dancing. By or with what we are? By legs. So that mukhena, padabhyam, those things are because 2 feet, na, that's why padabhyam. Those are called Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay. बदामी क्रिया में सबसे अधिक सहायक मुख है. फ्रॉम आवर माउथ ओनली यू आर टॉकिंग ना, दैट्स वाई. तो सबसे अधिक सहायता मुख से ही मिलता है, अतः वो करण कारक है और उससे तृतीया विभक्ति का प्रयोग होता है. ओके. नो नीड टू मेमोराइज दिस इज ओनली फॉर अंडरस्टैंड. सो वेयर एवर यू विल गेट द मीनिंग with or by, okay, with or by meaning will come, that means only it will be just Tritiya Vibhakti Karan Karak. Okay. Now see, Angyani, that means you can say body parts. So about your body parts it is written. Okay. Now see, Aham nasikaya jigrami, I smell by nose. I smell by the nose. Aham mukhena badami, khadami cha. Cha means you know and. So aham mukhena badami, khadami cha. I talk and eat by mouth. Talk means badami, khadami means eat. I talk and eat by mouth. Mukhena means mouth. अहं नेत्राभ्याम पश्यामि, I see with 2 eyes. Why not नेत्रेण? Because by your one eye only you are watching, or only both eyes you are by both eyes you are watching? Definitely by both the eyes. That's why नेत्राभ्याम, नेत्रेण नेत्राभ्याम, नेत्रैः, नेत्रेण नेत्राभ्याम. We are having 2 eyes, but Mahadev have 3 eyes. So for him it will be Netreno, Netrabhyam, Netroihi. It will be Netroihi. But for us, Netrabhyam. Am I right? So Aham Netrabhyam Pashyami. Aham Karnabhyam Shrinomi. Here also 2 ear we are having. So we see with 2 eyes, we hear with 2 ears. Okay. Aham hastena likhami prisami cha. I write and touch by hand. Prisami means touch kara. Okay. So aham hastena likhami prisami cha. I write and touch by hand. Hastena means by one hand. Aham charanabhyam chalami, because for touching or for writing our one hand only enough. Okay, 2 hand not necessary. but for walking, our two legs only necessary. With one leg we cannot walk. We can jump maybe by one leg, but we cannot walk. So, aham charanabhyam chalami. I walk by two legs. Charanabhyam means two legs. I walk by two legs. Okay. Aham etoihi angaihi vividhani karyani karomi. So I do a lot of work. Vividhani karyani means lot of work. Many works, na? We are doing. See, many works we are doing. So I do a lot of work by these organs. Etoihi means these, and angoihi means organs. So these organs. Okay. Etoihi means these, angoihi means organs. Now maybe someone is thinking, from where we will read that etoihi? Everything I will show you. Okay. Wait and watch. Now see the next part. Okay. Look at the sentence 2. In Bakyo ko bhi dekhe. Okay. These are for myself, means what I am doing, like this. But this is for other person are doing or you are doing. That means Madhyam Purush, Pratham Purush. These all are Pratham Purush. Sorry, these all are Uttam Purush. And these all are either Madhyam Purush or either Pratham Purush. Okay. That means either someone else are doing or either you are doing. Okay. Now let's see. You can see now. Kesavaha dandena sarpang tadayati. That means Kesav is beating the snake with a stick. Dandena means stick, with a stick. Sarpang tadayati, that means beating the snake with a stick. Tvam hastabhyam sovonam malam gumphati. Tvam, that means you are. Gumphati means stringing. Shobhanam, beautiful garlands. Okay. And hastabhyam means with both the hands, because when we are stringing the garland, we need our both the hand. That's why Twang hastabhyam shobhanam malam gumphasi. You are stringing beautiful garlands with both hands. Mohilaha hastaihi vastrani prakshalayanti. That means the Mohilaha, many. That's why the women, you can say women. The women are washing cloth. See, khalayati or prakshalayati, both are same meaning, washing. Okay, washing cloth with both hands. So, Mohilaha hastaihi vastrani khalayanti. The women are washing cloths, many cloths. Washing cloths with both hands. Okay, with both hands. Hastaihi means both hands. Janaha kena videsam gachanti. By what people are going abroad? Videsam means abroad. By what people are going abroad? Gachanti means going. And Janaha means people. So by what people are going abroad? Janaha kena videsam gachanti. Kena means by what? Okay. Janaha bimanena videsam gachanti. People are going abroad by what? By bimanena. That means by the plane. So people are going abroad by the plane. Okay. Now next. Aponikah tulaya tondulam mapayati. That means the shopkeeper is measuring the rice by what? By a balance. Tula means balance. You know na, tula means balance. So tula means by a balance. Tula means balance and tula means by a balance. Because Tritiya Vibhakti already it is here. This is Tritiya Vibhakti Roop. Tula, Tule, Tulaha. That one Prathama Vibhakti Roop. And Tulam, Tule, Tulaha. That one Ditya Vibhakti rules. And Tulaya, Tulabhyam, Tulavihi. This one Tritiya Vibhakti rules. So it is Tulaya. That's why Tritiya Vibhakti here. That means meaning is only by a balance. So Aponikaho means shopkeeper. Tulaya, Tondulam, Mapayati. The shopkeeper is measuring the rice by a balance. Okay. Tondulam means rice and that Mapayati means measuring. Next. Dhibaraha kavihi nading taranti. That means by what fishermen, by what fishermen, Dhibaraha na, that's why fishermen. By what fishermen are crossing the river. Taranti means you can say swimming also or crossing also. Here will be crossing because by the boat they are going, na, that's why. Dhibaraha kavihi noding taranti. By what fishermen are crossing the river. Okay, by what? Kavihi means by what. Now next. Dhibaraha naukavihi noding taranti. Fishermen are crossing the river by naukavihi. That means by boats. Okay, naukavihi means by boats. So fishermen are crossing the river by boats. Boyong joleno vriksan sincha maha. That means we are sprinkling the plants by water. Joleno, that means by water. So we are sprinkling means sincha maha means sprinkling. Sprinkling. You can see the meaning also. It is written in your book. Next page. Okay, it is written. So, Boyong Jaleno Briksan Sincha Maha. We are sprinkling the plant by water. Okay. Balakaha Kandukaihi Kidanti. The boys are playing with the ball. The boys are playing with the ball. Say all meaning are written. Now, please practice this. I told now that in rules, Eno Abhyam Oi. Eno abhyam oihi, eno abhyam oihi for masculine gender C. Hastena hastabhyam hastaihi, eno abhyam oihi. And for feminine gender, oya abhyam abhihi, oya abhyam abhihi, tulaya tulabhyam tulabhihi, oya abhyam abhihi. Understand? And for neuter gender, same rules for like masculine gender. Eno abhyam oihi, vimaneno vimanabhyam vimanoihi. But don't think that hasta also neuter gender. Masculine gender and neuter gender rules may be same, but sabda not same. Am I right? Ram is masculine gender, but Fal is neuter gender. Both roop are not same, but rules are same. Rameno ramabhyam ramoihi, Faleno falabhyam faloihi. Understand? If I say Rama, Rama is a girl's name. So, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramabhihi. Understand? Like this. And Sarvanam also, you have to read. See? Eteno, etabhyam, etoihi. All meaning will start from by or with. Okay? Eteno, etabhyam, etoihi. Teno, tabhyam, toihi. Keno, kabhyam, koihi. Now, feminine gender. Okay? Etoya etabhyam etabhihi. Tot. Toya tabhyam tabhihi. Now kim sabdaru. Koya kabhyam kabhihi. Okay. You have to memorize these things. So to memorize these things, today I'll give you some homework. And those homework very important for the exam. Okay. I will say about the homework. Let me finish this part. Okay. See, Tritiya Vibhakti ke Vishesh Prayog. Okay, Saha, that means with. Wherever we will get with, that means Mitrai Saha Kridanti. Balakaha Mitraihi Saha Kridanti. Sita Ramene Saha Vanang Gachati Saha. Wherever we will get the meaning of Saha means with, that means it will be Tritiya Vibhakti definitely. Okay. नेक्स्ट, शरीर के किसी अंग के विकार हो तो उस अंग में तृतीया विभक्ति होता है। इट इज़ लिटिल डिफरेंट। शरीर के किसी अंग में अगर कोई विकार हो, लाइक समवन हैविंग 6 finger, ओके, दैट विल बी तृतीया विभक्ति। मीन्स शरीरेर कोनो अंग हानि अथवा कोनो अंग एक्सट्रा थाका, सो अंग विकार, दोज आर कॉल्ड अंग विकार ना। समवन मे बी सम बॉडी पार्ट्स विल बी एक्सट्रा और लिटिल लेस और सम विकृति मीन्स disturbance, okay, disabilities, those are also tritiya vibhakti, okay. See, sah netrena kanah means blind in one eye, that means that person is blind, that means kana, that one also tritiya vibhakti, that's why netrena, okay, netrena sah netrena kanah, kanah means that blind, sah netrena kanah. Now next one, see, sa karnabhyam bodhira, that means deep or bahri. Sa karnabhyam, but means by 2 ears only she is deep, that means kane shone na, kala, okay. So these are also tritiya vibhakti. Now see last one, प्रकृति, स्वभाव, वर्ण आदि शब्द के योग में तृतीया विभक्ति होती है। which word? प्रकृति, what? प्रकृति, स्वभाव, वर्ण आदि शब्द के प्रयोग में तृतीया विभक्ति होती है। सी द एग्जाम्पल, गुडः प्रकृत्या मधुरः, गुडः प्रकृत्या मधुरः, दैट मीन्स गुड़ सत्यि सत्यि मिष्टि। सो प्रकृत्या, दिस इज ऑल्सो तृतीया विभक्ति, ओके। नाउ सी, काकः स्वभावेन दुष्टः, माने काक सत्यि सत्यि स्वभावे दुष्ट है, सो स्वभावेन, सो फॉर दिस स्वभावेन दिस इज ऑल्सो तृतीया विभक्ति। कोकिलः वर्णेन कृष्णः, हाँ, वर्णेन मीन्स बाय द body color or you can say complexion, so barnena also tritiya vibhakti, means kokilti বর্ণে কালো, মানে কোকিলের বর্ণ হচ্ছে কালো, সো বর্ণেন, দ্যাট ওয়ান অলসো তৃতীয়া বিভক্তি। সো হোয়ার এভার উইল গেট প্রকৃতি, স্বভাব, বর্ণ, দিস 3 letter in a sentence, there will be also tritiya vibhakti, okay. So please memorize, and now I am going to say about your homework. Your homework is page number 77 to 82. What? Page number 77 to 82. Don't think so much homework. There you will read only tritiya vibhakti, because last day I told you to read prathama and ditya. You remember now? You all read now that prathama and ditya. Those who not read, for them prathama, ditya, tritiya 3 are only homework, and those who already finish their reading, they will read only tritiya vibhakti. And please read these pages, because these things will definitely come in your exam. Very important, these things. Again and again I am telling you, have to read 77 to 82. I am showing you. See all the tritiya vibhakti. Masculine gender, okay. बालकेनो बालक्याभ्याम बालकैहि, एनो अभ्यम ओइहि, you know ना, एनो अभ्यम ओइहि, बालकेनो बालकाभ्याम बालकैहि। नाउ स्त्रीलिंग, वया अभ्यम आभिहि, सी लतया लताभ्यम लताभिहि। न्यूट्रल जेंडर रूल्स आर सेम, ओके। सो शेष रूप बालक शब्द के समान चलेंगे, दैट मीन्स फ्रॉम तृतीया ऑनवर्ड टू सप्तमी ऑल रूप आर सेम एज सेम एज बालक शब्द रूप, दैट मीन्स एज सेम एज मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर, ओके। So it is easy, but Sambodhan little different. Sambodhan you will learn afterward, not now. Now see Sarvanam. Aneno abhyam evihi. Aneno abhyam evihi. This is idam. That means this. Now idam strilinga. Anoya abhyam abhihi. Okay. This is also idam sabdarup strilinga. Anoya abhyam abhihi. Aneno abhyam evihi. Okay. Now next. Say idam. सेम थिंग्स, न्यूट्रल जेंडर सेम थिंग्स, इदम के पुंलिंग रूप के समान ही होंगे, ठीक है। दैट मीन्स लाइक पुंलिंग शब्द रूप इट विल बी सेम एज लाइक दिस। एतत्, एतेनो एताभ्यम एतैहि मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर, सी फेमिनाइन जेंडर एतया एताभ्यम एताभिहि, एंड सी द न्यूट्रल जेंडर again same things as same as masculine gender like eteno etavhyam etoihi will be here. Okay, now next page. See, teno tabhyam toihi tat shabd roop masculine gender, teno tabhyam toihi feminine gender tat shabd roop, toya tabhyam tabhihi, what, toya tabhyam tabhihi, everywhere meaning will be by or with. Okay, means by him or with him, you are going with him or I am going with him or like this. Okay, meaning will be by or with. So toya tabhyam tabhihi. Now neutral gender, see same, तृतीय विभक्ति रूप as same as like this, तेनो त्याभ्यम तैहि. Now किम, केनो काभ्यम कोइहि मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर, केनो काभ्यम कोइहि. नाउ फेमिनाइन जेंडर, कया काभ्यम काभिहि फेमिनाइन जेंडर, किम कया काभ्यम काभिहि. न्यूट्रल जेंडर as same as masculine gender, that means केनो काभ्यम कोइहि will be here, केनो काभ्यम कोइहि. नाउ अस्मत् शब्द रूप, मया आभ्यम अबाभ्यम अस्माभिहि, दैट मीन्स बाय मी और विथ मी. ओके, बाय मी और विथ मी. अस्मत् मीन्स आई ना, दैट मीन्स बाय मी और विथ मी. मया अबाभ्यम अस्माभिहि. नाउ युष्मत्, you cannot say here masculine feminine because for I you cannot say masculine feminine. युष्मत् also same, you cannot say masculine feminine. तीनों लिंगों में समान होता है, ठीक है. तृतीय विभक्ति नॉट हियर, सो गो टू नेक्स्ट पेज. सी, तृतीय विभक्ति फेमिनाइन जेंडर, तो उस युष्मत् शब्द रूप. ओके, दैट मीन्स यू, दैट मीन्स दिस मीनिंग विल बी बाय यू और विथ यू. ओके, आई एम टॉकिंग नाउ विथ यू, सो विथ यू और बाय यू. तृतीय विभक्ति, त्वया युवाभ्यम उष्माभिहि, त्वया युवाभ्यम उष्माभिहि, त्वया युवाभ्यम युष्माभिहि. So please memorize. Okay, these things your homework. So only Tritiya Vibhakti is your homework. Okay, and those who not finish their homework, reading homework last day, that Prathama and Ditya, they have to read Prathama, Ditya, Titiya, 3 only together. I need these 3 Vibhakti because I will give definitely in your exam this Prathama, Ditya and Titiya Vibhakti. You have to apply there. If you don't read now, you cannot apply there. Okay, I will give like English meaning, you have to apply. Okay, if you don't know the Sanskrit, how you will apply? So I will give only English and you have to apply the Sanskrit one. So please read these pages.